Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will solve one problem for a rank of the matrix. Okay, so let us consider one problem. Find the rank of the given matrix, that is A equal to 3 by 3 matrix, and also this matrix is called what? Non-zero. So before we solve this problem, first we should recollect what is meant by rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix is nothing but what? It satisfies there are two conditions. First one is what is order of this matrix? This matrix order is 3 by 3 matrix. So first we find a determinant value. Once we get determinant value is not equal to 0, therefore rank of this matrix is 3. In case the determinant value is 0, rank of the, okay, we should not get the rank of the given matrix is 3. So we get only the rank of this matrix is either 1 or 2. Okay, how to find 1 or 2 means we reduce this matrix. If we reduce this matrix, we get so many 2 by 2 matrix. So we consider any one 2 by 2 matrix. Again, we find modulus of A value. Then we get answer. Okay. Solution. So let us consider the given matrix is A. So first I will find a determinant value. That means modulus of A. Right. So we have to find the determinant value. That is nothing but how to find determinant value. So we consider first element is -1. Ignoring corresponding rows and columns, we get this 4 value. If we multiply 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 1, we get this term. Next term is what? Minus into 0. Ignoring corresponding rows and columns, we get this 2 element, this 2 element. You multiply this 2 element. 3 3s are 9. 9 into minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Formula minus, we get a 9 plus 5. Third one is plus 6 into ignoring corresponding rows and columns. You multiply these two. Formula minus, if you multiply these two, we get this term. That means 3 ones are 3 minus 6 5s are minus 35 minus plus 35. If we simplify this term, so we get a minus 17 minus 0 plus 6 into 33. So that is nothing but 181. So here, what is determinant of this matrix? Determinant of this matrix is 181. It is not equal to 0. So once we get not equal to 0, that directly we write a rank of this matrix. That is nothing but we have the minor of order is 3. What is order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 3. Therefore rank of A equal to 3. Okay, suppose we get determinant value is equal to 0. We are unable to say rank of this matrix is 3. So it must be either 1 or 2, which means we reduce this matrix. So that means at least we write any one of the 2 by 2 matrix. So in this matrix there are so many 2 by 2 matrix are there. You consider any one 2 by 2 matrix. Again we find determinant value which is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of this matrix is 2. Suppose that term also 0. Again we reduce that matrix. We get what? Only 1 by 1 matrix. That is means we get only one element. Again we find determinant value. So obviously we get not equal to 0. Therefore what? Rank of that matrix is 1. So coming to our problem, once we find determinant of this matrix, directly we get it is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A equal to 3. Okay, and it is denoted by what? Row of. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.